Holy shit. I did not expect that much power. Welcome back. I'm Roy with Rugged Badger Racing and Team Parts Badger. This is our Ecotech Swap Miata that we race in the Champ Car Endurance Series and Grid Life. Today is a special day because we are finally going to dyno this motor. So let's get on the road, head to the dyno, and see what we can put down. All right, and away we go. Now we are going to be driving the car there this time. I need to shake this down and get more miles on it anyway. So it's a good chance to get it on the road, and then I don't have to deal with the trailer. All right, we made it. We are here at Late Model Throttle. Let's get this thing on the dyno and see what it does. Before we hop on the dyno and get the results, I want to give you my estimate. Kyle will give you his. So my guess, based on driving this car, that it's going to come in at 158 horsepower at 148 foot-pounds of torque. What do you think?
I'll go a little higher and guess like 160.
160? All right, let's see what we get. All right, so the car's on the dyno. We're also here with Kyle with Beyond Motorsports. He's helping us out today. So we're gonna do a first run. We're gonna play with fuel pressure, and then we're gonna do the runs as required per Grid Life. Let's get started. Holy shit, I did not expect that much power. Holy cow. That is on the first run. That's about 10 horsepower more than I thought, and that's 20 foot-pounds more torque. Holy cow. So the first run, 168, 167 foot-pounds. Torque curve looks pretty good, so I'm going to adjust fuel pressure. It's running at about 64 psi, which is 6 psi more than normally what it was running with the GM pressure regulators. So we're going to adjust that down and see what happens. All right, so we lowered it. It was 63 psi. Now it's down to 62 psi. So we'll see what kind of power we can put down now. Definitely got more torque. Interesting behavior. All right, so we'll set fuel pressure back, and then we'll do the runs for Grid Life. So apparently it didn't like that. We went back a little bit richer. We're gonna do another pull, see what we get. Right about where it was before. This time we got rid of the interference. All right, let's run two more, see if they're the same. That's what Grid Life needs. Looks like right at the same. Let's do the third one. There are 3 runs. I guess that meets grid life requirements. Now, there's not a whole lot we can change on the car. So that might be it. Dyno's done. All right, there you have it. We're wrapped up. We are ready to head back. Very impressive results. I'm very happy with that. Maybe that is why we were so fast at Autobahn. We were putting down a lot of power for a Miata. I definitely expected less than that. Maybe that makes up for the weight of the car. Maybe that's why it's so quick. I was surprised at how fast it was considering how heavy this car is overall. Now, if you like this content, I will be posting those dyno plots below. Please remember to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more content. We have Grid Life coming up, so we'll have a lot of videos. Thanks for watching.